the old roads call, footsteps in ancient dust where brave men rise or fall. A blade of gold at dawn, a promise in my hands. The caravan of fire crosses the silent sands. Hear the ground shake now, feel the sky burn wide. We were born for this road with a storm inside. Rise, sons of the dawn. Rise, sons of the dawn. Carry the flame on. Carry the flame on. Rise, sons of the dawn. Rise, sons of the dawn. We will not kneel here. We will stand as one. Stone walls remember names carved in the empire's bone. Echoes of fallen kings still guide me to the throne. Through every wound and scar, the desert made me steel. I learned to trust the dark and break it with my will. Hear the brawl shake now, feel the sky burn wide. We were born for this road with a storm inside. Rise, rise, sons of the dawn. Rise, rise, sons of the dawn. Carry the flame on. Carry the flame on. Rise, rise, sons of the dawn. Rise, rise, sons of the dawn. We will not kneel here. We will stand as one. When the night falls hard, I will call your name. From the broken past, we will forge our reign. Hold the line with me, let the heavens roar. Every scar we wear becomes a crown of war. Rise, rise, sons of the dawn. Rise, rise, sons of the dawn.